think I'm going. Yeah. This is a Matt Coleman, the Great.
Can you edit that part?
Yeah. There we go.
He's gonna kill himself.
Half man, half speedster. Nice. Yeah, he's dead. Woo, that was better, eh? Get him. Whoa, there he goes. He's done. He's done. America's Homeless Fun Video. Where'd he go? Nice. Whoa! There he goes. There he goes. He's done.
Foot.
His foot's done. It's leaking and all over the place. Oh! I got it all, baby. I got it all.
It did hurt, but my foot got stuck.
Half man,
Half steel.
half steel. 1/4 cushion. Good to go.